Good morning, girls and boys. We're going to be working with our new spelling words for this week. And as you can see, they have to do with science because this week we're going to be doing nonfiction reading and writing. So when you open up your spelling list from Google Classroom, the very first thing I would like you to do, please, is click on Present. And then when you click on Present, you should see your words nice and big. And I'd like you to notice a couple of things. First of all, do you notice the different colors here? The blue and the black show me the beats or the syllable in each word. And then I have the T-I-O-N brothers here in red. The T-I-O-N brothers make the shin sound. And then the final thing that I want you to notice is that the E-A in heat is also red because I want you to remember that the word heat has an E sound, but it's spelled E-A. All right? Going back to the syllables, syllables are just the beats in the word. So for example, this word here, substance, it's substance. So each different color stands for a beat. Mixture, matter, evaporation, condensation. All right, you get the idea, boys and girls. So practice those, reading those and tapping out the syllables in your hands. The other thing I want to make you aware of is that when you've looked over your list, you can click on this link here and it's going to take you to your spelling practice, your online. So there's the spelling list. All right, you have 12 words this week. Please go to practice your words right here. And there you see your words. And once you've looked at them again, go ahead and start.
Substance.
And you're good to go. All right, and make sure you practice each of the words. All right, have fun.